The video you just saw was fully created by Seedance 2.0. Seedance is finally available for free and unlimited for everyone. Not only that, you'll also get early access to Gemini Omni as well. I have found a platform where you can get unlimited access of Seedance 2.0 and other top models on early access. And no, this is not some overhyped tool list. This is a complete AI creation system where you can literally go from a single image to a fully cinematic video in seconds. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool I am talking about is Loova AI. Loova AI is a platform that provides unlimited access to some of the most advanced AI models available right now. The biggest highlight here is Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana and GPT Image 2, along with Seedream 5.0. And Gemini Omni is coming really soon as well. So let's start creating some stuff using these top-tier models right away. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Or search on Google for Loova AI and click on the top result. By clicking on it, you will land on here. Let's first start by creating some images using Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2, as you can see here. We have an option of creating images. Click on it and we will enter here. On the top of this sidebar, you can see a model section, where you can see that you have all the top-tiered image models available along with Seedream 5.0. For now, I am selecting GPT Image 2 first, which is newly added by them. I am pasting this detailed prompt right here in the prompt box. And then as you can see here, we can create images in 1K, 2K, and even in 4K resolution. Then we can select the quality type. Of course, I am going to select the high quality. Then we have several options available for the aspect ratios. Let's select 16:9 for a cinematic look of the image. Okay, then let's just finally click on the generate button. And there we go. Our image is ready, and just look at the quality of the image, the details, the cinematic look is just mind-blowing. GPT Image 2 model is truly on fire right now. Okay, now let's create one by using Nano Banana 2. I am selecting Nano Banana 2 from here and pasting this prompt right in the prompt box, and keeping the rest of the settings same as before. And just click on generate button. Here we go, we have our image ready. And yes, obviously, as we all know that the Nano Banana is one of the best image model out in the market, so it's obvious that it performed very well. Okay, now let's generate a video using Seedance 2.0. On the home page we have an option of creating video. Click on it and you will land here. In the model section, we have too many options available. Among all the options, Seedance stands out as the most powerful and trending model right now. Let's select this one. Okay, now I am pasting this detailed prompt in the prompt box, and let's select the resolution of 1080p. And we can generate up to 15 seconds clip. And then the aspect ratio, I'm selecting 16:9. And let's click on generate. Here our video has started generating. And look, it is ready. Let's watch it. And as you can see, the result is so shocking. The quality, the movement, the overall environment, everything matches perfectly with our imagination. Now let's move step forward in a video creation. Let's create a video using the images we created using GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2. Hover your cursor over this AI video option. And then click on this image to video. I am again using Seedance 2.0 for video generation, as it is a hot model inside this Loova AI. I am uploading the first image that I created using GPT Image 2. And then I am entering a motion prompt in here. Let's select the resolution, duration and aspect ratio of the video. And finally click on generate button. And after some time our video is here. Let's have a look. And as you can see, it performed very well. It didn't change any feature of the image and convert it into a full cinematic video without any glitches or errors. This is why Seedance 2.0 is becoming one of the most viral AI video tools right now. And platforms like Loova.ai are giving unlimited access. Now let's talk about the most interesting part, pricing. Loova AI offers different subscription options, but the biggest highlight is unlimited plan. With this plan, users get unlimited Seedance 2.0 video generation, unlimited Nano Banana Pro usage, unlimited GPT image to generation, and early access to new AI models before anyone else. And Gemini Omni is coming really soon as well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Go check Loova AI right now by the link in the description and let me know in the comment section, what do you think about its unlimited plan? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.